Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this Charcuterie board. It is a personalization mall, live personalized. So I guess my wife, she imported our names on there. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Oh, that's the invoice. Wow, look at that. The Hung's family gather here with love and laughter. Established February 1st, 1997. And then that's my initial H. And then the back is plain. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up. And then like the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.